Hello everyone and welcome to Aling Vilma Vlogs. So let's drive into this beautiful scene here alongside a beautiful lake, and what we can see here is a beautiful green mountain, and on the side here is a beautiful waterfalls from a beautiful greenery mountain. And I like the sound here, guys. The beautiful view is really exciting to look at, and there are pine trees here, and continue driving with this beautiful scene. We can see beautiful clouds, and on the side here is a beautiful blue water, and alongside here is tall buildings and beaches. So it's a beautiful view, and it's exciting to be in this place. And there are people enjoying the beautiful sunshine, beautiful swim in the blue water. So exciting, guys. And once again, thank you for watching.